Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these shoes to tell you all about it, and I'm feeling pretty lucky about that because my wife and daughter got these shoes from All Swiffit, and they're kind of a gray tennis shoe. They're mesh, and they're very comfortable. And they both said how comfortable they were, and they really wished that I could get a pair. Well, sure enough, All Swiffit reached out to me, and here we have beautiful men's breathable tennis shoes. They're perfect for walking, for some light running, for sports, exercising, and they're comfortable. They look great. So these are the blacks, actually. You can see they have a nice black mesh. They are very breathable. They're very lightweight. I like lightweight shoes. I don't like heavy shoes. I don't like it when I put them on and I can just feel like I'm lifting up. For like hiking shoes and for tougher shoes, I can kind of understand it. But if I just want to go out to the town and kind of run around, or I want to go play basketball with the kids, I don't want something like that. I want something comfortable and breathable, and these are it. So let's talk about styling a little bit. Again, these are the black. As you can see, the sole itself is a pretty typical tennis shoe sole there. You have some nice gray speckles in the back. It looks really kind of pretty cool. You get a little gray on the side there as well. Laces are pretty standard. Now, comfort level. It's nice. The inside is pretty standard. There is some cushion in there, not too much that you're like standing on a pillow, but there is some firmness as well. But it is comfortable enough. And then here's where I actually have a problem where with my foot is that I don't like chafing. But this is nice and thick foam. I guess you can see that there. Can you see that? This is a nice thick foam all the way around pretty much up to here. And then the tongue itself is kind of sewn into the shoe. It's not a separate tongue, but it's all kind of one, and that's okay. It's just a very nice, soft, padded sort of a tongue. So I've worn these a little bit. I haven't done a whole lot of working out with them yet, but they are comfortable. They are very breathable. I can tell right away when you put a shoe on. In 5 minutes, you can tell if your foot's going to sweat or not. Not with these. These are not going to. Your foot's not going to sweat in these. They are actually really, really nice shoes. I'm very impressed with them. Again, I've only worn them a little bit. I haven't gone out for a whole lot. I'm looking forward to going on vacation and probably using these as my vacation shoes, my walking shoes. We usually hit theme parks or we hit cities where we have a lot of walking. These are the kind of shoes that I'm really, really looking forward to. They are pretty true to size. So if you're looking for a shoe, like a nice, light, breathable shoe for walking or for exercising, would I run a marathon in these? No, but they're not designed for that. They're designed for walking, exercising for regular people. But they're really, really good shoes. I really like them. They're just comfortable, and I highly recommend these.